Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Walsh and I'm with Keller Williams, the Houston team. Today I'm over at Horizons at Summer Corner and I am touring some of the model homes. So I look forward to sharing these homes with you today. The first one we're looking at is called the Camellia and it is 1,844 square foot. It is 3 bedroom and 2 bath. So without further ado, let me give you the tour. Okay, for starters, we are right here in the front living room. Has a great open floor plan. This is the gourmet kitchen. It also has a great sunroom screened in back porch. Fireplace. I'm going to scoot up here to the front just because we started in the kitchen area and I want to show you the front of the house. So coming into the door, you have these wonderful extra wide hallways. Bedroom number 1, they have it set up as an office. Here we have a good sized bathroom. Back here is the commode. Second bedroom, which is right here. Good sized walk-in closet. Can never have enough storage space. All right, we're going to go back down the hallway. To the left is the garage. That's actually a 3-car garage. Extra space for your golf cart. And the laundry room. Back to the kitchen. Oh, let's check out this pantry. I have a feeling it's going to be a good size. Yep, awesome. All right, and here we are in the primary. This is just lovely tray ceilings. And it does have luxury vinyl flooring. And then there's tile in here. An awesome walk-in shower. Water closet. Extra linen closet. Oh, look at this. This is great. Great size closet. All right, that wraps us up for our tour of the Camellia. If you are interested, I would love to help you make this your new home. If you are interested, please give me a call, shoot me a text. My phone number is 843-718-4285. And thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.